Y'all, she tired of her wearing a wig, yo. I'm tired of wearing a wig. I think it's time for a change. I think it's time for a change. Hmm? What do y'all think? Huh? You think it's time for a change? Yeah. Come with me. Let's go get a haircut. Let's go get a haircut, y'all. Let's go. Oh my God, here I am. Here I am, y'all, about to cut it all off. This is 15 years of natural hair gone in a split second. Ooh, ah, I was like, oh my God, I was in shock. I couldn't believe it, but I was ready, y'all. I was ready, ready for the change. I said, look, you know, if I don't like it, I could always return back to my wigs. It's only hair, it will grow back. Okay, my hair grow back real quick, real fast. Whew. But pray for me, y'all. Pray for me. I just had a birthday, and I said to myself, Dawn, girl, we got to do something else. Okay. We got to do a different look. We got to change things up because I'm the kind of woman I like to change my hair. I like to play around with my hair. I like to play around with my looks, because I believe we are people. We are all beautiful people, all gorgeous people. Okay. We should not be, boxed in one category, in one box. Okay. We're all created to be fabulous. All right. So this is after I got my hair permed, after I sat under the blow dryer. She's just, trying to just kind of trim everything nicely, just kind of making sure that the hair lay down nice and even, just kind of to kind of mold my face, mold the pixie the way I want it, because I wanted to kind of cover the forehead, the seven head, because y'all know if you've been following me, your sister girl got a seven head. Yes, and I'm not ashamed to say it. All my sisters out there with a seven head, because I don't even have a forehead, okay? I have more than a forehead, okay? I have a seven head. So this look is perfect for me and all my head. So this is the foam. Okay, so I am learning about how to do the pixie. Okay, who out there, my beautiful people, who out there, which one of you guys have a pixie cut? I'm learning about how to do these little swoops. See how she does a swoop on the side? I loved it. I was like, oh my God, Teresa, show me how to do it. You see? I'm gonna be making videos, y'all. See, I am watching YouTube videos. I'm starting to watch videos. If you are a YouTuber out there and you got a pixie do and you make videos about pixie cuts, send it to me, y'all. I'm gonna follow you. Iron sharpen iron. Okay, so after she styles my hair, I have to go back under the dryer, okay, to make sure that everything is laid flat. This is a new world to me. Look at it. This is a whole new world. I've never had this kind of hairstyle before, y'all. But you know what? I'm not afraid to explore. Call me Dawn the Explorer. But I'm loving it, y'all. I'm telling you, me and my oval shaped face, my long oval shaped face. This is perfect, y'all. She is slaying. She's slaying. I am loving the hair. A bit nervous because I wasn't sure how it was gonna turn out. I wasn't sure what to exactly expect, but I knew I was ready for a different hairstyle. I was ready. It was time. It was time for something new because I was like, okay, look, enough with the wigs. Enough. Enough is enough. Let's go. Let's go. So after, the hair is dried and everything, then she is just styling it with the curling iron. Okay, with the flat iron. I don't like too much heat. I have to admit, this was a whole lot of heat in my hair, more than I was used to. But look at the outcome. One, two, three. Ow! Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, y'all. Mmm. Yes, here she is, yo. Here she is. Mmm. 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 My beautiful people, I just had to do it, y'all. I just had to do it. I was so tired
of wearing a wig. It's like I just couldn't do it no more, y'all. With the whole thing with China right now, okay? I hear that them wigs are gonna be, like what, 50% more? If a wig was $100, they're gonna make it, 150. No, I can't. I was hard. I needed my hair back, yo. I needed my freedom. Oh my goodness, this feels so good. Do you know how good it feels like? Do y'all know how good it feels? Do you know how good it feels to be able to just like, run my hands through my hair again and just, go out and not worried about my wig falling off. Just it's such freedom, y'all. I got my freedom back because I've been wearing a wig for, oh my goodness, for at least like 15 years or so. And I'm like, look, I just turned a new age. Okay, your sister girl needs a new do. That's it, y'all. And I'm loving it. Yes, it goes perfectly. I feel like it goes perfectly with my long face, my long chin, my, long neck. I'm loving it. Okay. And I'm back at wearing earrings again, y'all, because I had stopped wearing earrings because, my wig would be hiding the earrings. I love it. I love it. Let me know your thoughts, yo. Yes, my pixie cut. Oh, my pixie cut, yo. Oh, freedom. Yes. Oh, I just feel like it makes me look, just, I don't know, just more mature, more, just like, it's like, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. But I need to learn how to do the little wave, just like my hairstylist had done. She did the little wavy thingy. I got some products. I'm gonna try to make some videos, y'all, about how I take care of my new hairdo. Okay, about my new cut. Okay, I'm gonna make a video about that. And y'all, what I realize is that look how dark my hair is. Like my hair is really, really, really dark. And I am loving it because I don't remember my hair being this dark. I think it's because I haven't worn a perm for so long. So when you let your natural hair grow, it just, gets darker. I don't know. Just let me know, y'all. Let me know what you experience out there. Like, do perm lighten your hair? Because I guess my hair been hiding for so long, y'all. So I have my natural dark color back.
Yes, my beautiful people. In the next few clips, I'm just gonna show you the hair. With me, this is me out. I think that this was like maybe the next day or something like that. Okay. And look at the back. Yes, that's at the studio when it was finished. That's the complete product. That's the process. Look at me. I was so nervous too. I'm like, oh my God, I don't know what to expect. Okay, this is the process, y'all. She is loving her new hairdo, yes. And I'm here to tell you, ladies, okay, you are not your hair. Whether you have long hair, short hair, you are beautiful. You are gorgeous, okay? Because look at me. This new hair right now, it gives me more confidence. Yeah, I'm like, look at me. Short hair and still beautiful.
Yes, guys, let me know your thoughts, comment, share. Okay, let me know who else is going to do a new hairdo for the summertime. Y'all, I'm telling you guys, I don't know if wigs will see me again. I have so many wigs, y'all. Maybe I should just sell my wigs, okay? Maybe I should sell my wigs. As always, my beautiful people, I love you with the love of Jesus Christ. Comment, share. Let me know your thoughts on this new hairdo, okay? See you in the next video. Mwah. Take care.